This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. I'd like to please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to stage 96 of building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. Came on a nice backing card today rather than a normal bubble packs and plastic, because it's another big metal piece. We've got the trunk, the boot, I don't know what else you call it. A trunk, I think, is the American way, and being an American type film, that's what we'll call it. All we're doing on this part of the build is attaching the clip, which will go either way round by the looks of it. Yep, it's not shaped in any way. That's going to go on there with two of these 06 screws. So let's get two of those out from there. As ever, we'll keep the spare ones because you never know when you might need one of those again. So let's get that attached on there. And because this is the quickest, shortest build of the pack, after I put this together, I will clear the bench and we'll have a look through the magazine of this month and have a look at the cars with women's names and things like that. So just get these two screws onto there. And that is an issue completed. Once that is done, that's that. Next time, I think we're going to be attaching this to the whole body thing that we've been dealing with, and then we're dealing with the back end, which makes sense to me. So let me clear this out of the way. We'll bring in the book and we'll have a look through. So here we are with volume 25 of building Eleanor, the world's most famous Mustang. I didn't know it was a Mustang, but there you go. So that's what we've been doing. We'll have a look through here. This is what we did last time, attaching that front nose support, although it doesn't actually attach to the nose. I'm not entirely sure about that. Don't know exactly what's going to attach in there, but I'm sure it'll become clear at some point. That's what we've just done, attaching that. So next time we get the back end, where we're going to attach the clips to that, something to that, then attach that to the back, then attach the trunk bit on, and then attach the back bit on. So the outer body panels are pretty much complete at this stage. Then we end up this month with a rear light. So we're doing one side rear light, then obviously next time we're going to end up with the other side rear light. Is it the last pack next time? Can't end on 102. That won't be right, would it? We've got windscreens to do as well. Front and back rear windows. We've got the doors already, so they've got to be attached and it's got to be put onto the thing. But I don't know. There must be another couple of packs to come, I would have thought. I'm not entirely certain. I didn't bother rehearsing to see how many issues there are. The car crash king. Obviously, someone in charge of crashing all the cars. Mirror man. Guy with a real spark. Don't know who that is. It's TJ Cross, apparently. Key member of the gang. There we go. That's that. Behind the scenes, the original movie. Again, if you want to pause and read all about that, feel free. Tina is the car with the woman's name today, the Porsche 911. I've always liked the Porsche 911. Very nice looking car. Not very practical. Can't get your shopping in it, but it's fine. Also, Kathy. So if we've done 2 a time, and this is 25, that will be 50, wouldn't it? I don't know. Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow is a fairly iconic British car. Big, massive. Well, big for a British cars. Probably not that big for American, but there we go. There we go. That's Kathy's Fact Files. Then looking at the Mustang V6 from the classic Mustangs in 2014. And that's that. So, yes, next time we've got the other rear light, the rear windscreen, the windscreen frame, and wipers. All right, so that's the front windscreen, and then the frame to go around it, and the wipers decorations. And then, what is that? The hood ventilation panel. Oh, there's a bit missing behind the hood. Okay, so we put the windscreen in, then we put that in. Then there's obviously one more pack, which is going to be 3, 4, 5, and 6, which will be the rear window and probably something else. Don't know. Have we got this bottom trim piece? That's not attached to the car, is it? So we've probably got 2 more packs after this. 3 more packs, I would assume. Highway, playing with cars. Christie. So there is at least one more car with women's name. There we go. So that is that. I've done the build, so that's the look at the magazine. I shall see you next time for, as I say, the rear end piece. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.